What's up, guys? Welcome to the Maintenance Man channel. My name is Neil. Thank you for joining me. If you're new, I appreciate you joining along, checking things out. Just wanted to show you guys something real quick. So today I actually have a cool little project, making some custom planners. I showed you guys this before, but they switched up the plans, so we're doing something different. Yes, I got my daughter's pink hammer out here. Had to do a little nail settage. But I want to talk to you guys, and I'm going to get this no matter what. I do review tools. So there's a lot of tools that you'll see that aren't heavily used. Like this, though, is brand new. It replaced this. Now, I was able to fix this, but I was using this for about 6 years. The handle snapped off during a job. I fixed it, it works. I kept it because it's cordless. This one down here, I had an old one that was beat to hell, no guard or anything on it. And I think all the markings were just rubbed off or whatnot. So I purchased a new one, this 8 1/4 battery powered Ryobi circ saw. It's a nice little chop saw, you know, very portable. Can cut some nice size trim. This Skill flooring saw, I like the Skill corded stuff. This actually, I really like this thing. It's come in handy doing flooring and whatnot, even just trim work and stuff. Extra saw to have on a job site. It's not the best construction, but I am a budget friendly channel. Even though I have a lot of tools. I did pick up this cordless, I think this is 8 1/4 inch Ryobi table saw. Thing works great. I've been using that recently. And then you can go back. I have a lot of old videos, but like this impact is only a couple months old. So yes, it has not seen that much use. And for right now, I brought it home. Same with the hammer drill. But these are great tools. But most of my tools were blue. But they look like this, you know. They get used. This thing's still chooching along, so I'm not going to replace that. I've had this saw for a few years. I don't really like it. And I just got rid of my little blue one that I had. But I have a steel blade on there. It cuts good steel. You know, this is relatively new. I've had that for under a year. This for under a year, this for under a year. So I'm just starting to use this stuff. I've had this for a while, you know. It's gotten some, I like that. It's not the best sounding, but, and I've had this forever. I love this jigsaw. I don't think I'll get rid of it until it dies because it accepts both shanked types of, you know, jigsaw blades, which is great. A lot of them don't. It's one or another. And then here's all my, you know, this is what I do. Electrical, plumbing, screws and black pipe, galvanized, PEX tools, PVC. You know, that's my extra garage spare parts. And then you guys haven't seen all of my nailers. This I purchased recently. I have the Ryobi cordless, but these air nailers, they have a small footprint. I was on a job site where it was very damp in the basement, so a lot of my tools unfortunately suffered a little bit of rust. Got a Work Pro and HDX. This is an 18 gauge brad nailer. I used it once or twice, works pretty well. I bought a big kit of nailers. HDX brand is 99 bucks on eBay, and it came with like everyone, and the pin nailer broke. I think there's a stapler, but I also got this. I haven't used it yet, but it's a framing nailer, 88 bucks on Amazon. Figured why not. What else do we have in here? This is a stapler, I think. Or maybe, I don't know. I kept the pin nailer too, I think, because I wanted to fix it, but I don't think that will ever happen. What's this one here? I don't know. But anyways, you know, I got this nice little Hyper Tough. It's not like the best quality, you know, thingamadoo here. I just blanking on the compressor, but it works great. It's so portable, lightweight. I had a Boss Stitch trim air, which was great also, but pretty heavy, and this does just fine if you're by yourself running some nailing guns. Recently got this from my brother. Got to look it over though, because these oilless ones, they do have an expiration date. But that thing's big and heavy. And then I've had this one for a while over here. Got the Ryobi fan going, but the Cobalt, as you can see, we're gathering toys on it. But yeah, it's 26 gallon Quiet Tech. Yeah, I got all my clamps are up here. I'm not a woodworker, but man, do clamps come in handy. These are great. These are cabinet clamps. So you could clamp two cabinets together, and then it has screw holes to drill through, make your holes and stuff, pilot holes. Get that all done. Some old stuff there, but worm drive skill table saw VCG Construction. This was years ago, and I really liked it. It's nice. It's a nice job site table saw. It's got power. Everything makes sense on it. I can't afford a saw stop, so this is good enough. And then, you know, I showed you guys, but the new skill. I ended up keeping my Ryobi tile saw over the Diamond back from Harbor Freight, even though that had a 24-inch, or this is an 18-inch cut, but you know, I can make do with it, and it has wheels on it. You could just wheel this thing around. Super handy. So yes, I've changed over to a few new tools, kind of restocked everything. You know, that framing nailer got good reviews, and when I redo my deck, probably use the heck out of that. But I got future projects I'm going to use that for, and stuff like that. And then over here I got my old, this is the first nail gun I ever got, and it came with this pancake air compressors, supporter cable, 16 gauge. Yeah, for the most part, you just take care of your stuff and it'll take care of you. I don't care what you guys use, as long as you do jobs to the best of your ability, you know, and don't do shortcuts and stuff like that. That's all anyone ever cares about. I don't care what tools you use. I'm not offended by anything really. There's a comment the other day that said, where's the DeWalt? I rated my 5 best impacts I've used so far, and I put the Craftsman one in there, and I don't have any DeWalt. So I responded, I have the Craftsman there as a joke, and then someone said, are you kidding me? Have you seen the difference between Black & Decker, Craftsman, and DeWalt? My response was none, because it's just, you know, can't change anyone's mind. But I will say, what DeWalt impact are you going to buy for $138 that comes with 2 2-amp hour batteries and a charger that's brushless and that quality? So I think whatever you're buying in DeWalt for that price range, that's another way to look at these things. Anyways, guys, that's a little bit of what I'm doing today. Hope you have a great day. Again, for all the new members, welcome to the channel. I really appreciate it, and keep rolling with this thing, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.